Presiden Amerika Serikat Donald Trump mengumumkan telah mencapai kesepakatan dengan pemimpin Suriah Ahmad al-Shara. Kesepakatan tersebut berisikan upaya Amerika dan Suriah untuk membangun perdamaian dan stabilitas di Timur Tengah. Pertemuan bersejarah itu berlangsung di Gedung Putih dan menandai babak baru hubungan diplomatik antara Washington dan Damaskus. Dalam pernyataannya kepada wartawan di Washington, Donald Trump menggambarkan al-Shara sebagai sosok pemimpin kuat yang berasal dari tempat yang keras, namun memiliki kemampuan untuk membawa Suriah menuju kesuksesan. Trump menegaskan bahwa Suriah memiliki sejarah panjang sebagai negara dengan banyak intelektual, profesional, dan budaya kuat yang menurutnya harus dikembalikan ke jalur pembangunan dan perdamaian.
I'm in agreement with him. He's a very strong leader. He comes from a very tough place, and he's a tough guy. I like him. I get along with him. The new president of Syria. And we'll do everything we can to make Syria successful because that's part of the Middle East. We have peace now in the Middle East, first time that anyone can remember that ever happening. Syria is a very big part of the Middle East, very important part. If you look back at Syria for years, they had the doctors, the lawyers, they had so many of the great intellects. It's an amazing place with great people, and we want to see Syria be successful along with the rest of the Middle East. So I have confidence that he'll be able to do the job, absolutely.
Menanggapi pertanyaan wartawan mengenai kemungkinan adanya fakta perdamaian antara Israel dan Suriah, Trump menyiratkan bahwa pengumuman penting akan segera dilakukan. Trump juga menyebut hubungan baik antara al-Shara dan Presiden Turki Recep Tayyip Erdogan menjadi faktor penting dalam menciptakan stabilitas regional.
We want to see Syria become a country that's very successful, and I think this leader can do it. I really do. I think this leader can do it. And people said he's had a rough past. We've all had rough pasts. But he has had a rough past, and I think, frankly, if you didn't have a rough past, you wouldn't have a chance. He gets along very well with Turkey, with President Erdogan, who's a great leader. Erdogan's a great leader, and very much in favor of what's happening in Syria. We have to make Syria work. Syria is a big part of the Middle East, and I will tell you, I think it is working and really well. We're working also with Israel on.
Dalam kesempatan yang sama, Trump mengeklaim bahwa kawasan Timur Tengah kini menikmati masa perdamaian yang belum pernah terjadi sebelumnya. Ia menyebut kerjasama antara berbagai pihak termasuk Israel, Suriah, dan Turki telah berjalan sangat baik. Selain itu, Trump juga menyinggung kerjasama dengan kelompok Hamas yang diklaim telah menyerahkan sejumlah jenazah warga Israel.